Good evening. Today we are going to learn important symbols which use in building design. So first one is structural symbol. In this image we can use any one symbol to represent roller support, either this one or either this one or either this one, to represent roller support. In another way, for representing hinge support, we can use any one symbol out of three as shown in image, either this one, either this one, or either this one. For peak support, we can use any one symbol as represent in this image, either this one, either this one, or either this one. So these are three main types of support as shown in this image. Next types of symbols are electrical symbols. So let's see. For ground or earth electrode, we use such type of symbol as shown in image. Next symbol is antenna, which is shown in this image. Next type is symbol for battery for single cell as shown in this image. Next symbol is source of constant voltage, which is represented by this symbol. Then next symbol is fuse, which is represented by this symbol. Then next one is inductor, which is represented by this symbol. Then next one, motor, symbol of motor represented by this symbol. Next one, next symbol is bulb, which is represented by this symbol. Next symbol is transformer, which is represented by this symbol. Then coaxial plug, which is represented by this symbol. Then switch is represented by this symbol. Then resistor is represented by this symbol. Then capacitor, which is represented by this symbol. Then diode represented by this symbol. And last one, diode LED, which is represented by this symbol. So these are basic symbols, which is also called as electrical symbols, which use in building design. Then next important types of symbols for plumbing symbols. So let's see. First one is 90-degree elbows, which is represented by this symbol. Then straight T, which is represented by this shape. Then reducing T, which is represented by this symbol. Then sanitary T, which is represented by this symbol. Then P trap, which is represented here. Then gate valve, which is represented by this symbol. Then next one, shower head, which is represented by this symbol. Then sinks, or called as lavatory, which is represented by these symbols. We can use any one of these symbols either this one, either this one, or either this one. Then bathtubs, which is represented by simple rectangular shape or this shape. Then last one is shower stall, which is represented by this symbol. So these are three types of main symbols which use for building design. First one, structural symbol. As we saw, three types of support: roller support, hinge support, and fixed support. Then next symbols, electrical symbols. We saw different types of electrical symbols which used for building design. And last one, plumbing symbols, as we saw in this image. So thank you for watching this video.